It's Friday. If you haven't been here before, this is the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel, and every Friday we feature a cocktail that you, our viewer, asks us to make. Well, we've got a contributor by the name of Eric Sloop, and Eric has asked us to make a cocktail that he just had while he was in the Pacific Northwest on vacation recently. He asked us to make the suit and tie. Well, I haven't made this yet, and I'm going by Eric's word on this one, so we're going to give it a shot. So let's get pouring today's cocktail. We are going to make this in a mixing glass. We've only got 3 simple ingredients that are going in here. And our first one is ginger syrup. We're going to use 1/2 ounce. Now the ginger syrup is equal parts of sugar and water, and then you slice ginger in there. How much ginger you put in there depends on how spicy you like. So you play with it a little bit as you make it the first couple of times. Our next ingredient going in there is Aperol. We're going to put in there 1 ounce of Aperol. That's going to give it a little bit of a bitter in there. And our third and final ingredient going in there is Rye Whiskey. Today we're using Rittenhouse. That's what Eric said that he had in his original cocktail. And we're going to use 1.5 ounces. That's it. That's everything that's going into the mixing glass. Now what we want to do is put some ice in there. We're going to stir this to chill it down. A cocktail without fruit juices is typically stirred. So let's get some ice in there. Now what we need to do is pour it. We're going to put this over a large piece of ice. So that is going in our old-fashioned glass. We're going to take a julep strainer and just pour that over the ice. Now as we're pouring, you see a lot of the stuff that we're using in our videos, the bar tools. We've actually recently started an Amazon store. There's going to be a link in the description how that you can get these same tools. Now that I've got everything in there, we want to decorate this a little bit. We have actually got our Drunken Sailor ice brand. We just push that down on the ice cube. And everybody knows there's my Drunken Sailor cocktail. 2 more steps to go on that. We're going to take an orange peel and we're going to express that over the drink. Squeeze those oils out on there. Give that a rub around the edge to get some of those oils on there. That's going to accentuate that Aperol taste. And our final garnish on there is a cocktail cherry. And that's a Traverse City cherry, by the way. Let's give this a taste. Oh, Eric, you were right. You've got that nice spicy rye in that, and that Rittenhouse is one of my favorites anyway. So you've got that nice spicy flavor of the rye. You've got the bitter oranges coming through with the Aperol. We've got that orange oil to accentuate that Aperol flavor on there. Cheers, everyone.